As you collect articles and books for your paper, you will encounter 3 different types of resources. Articles are often a major source of information used for college research. Let's look at the types you will encounter often. The 3 most common types are scholarly, popular, and trade journals. The characteristics of scholarly journal articles are peer-reviewed, which means scholars in the same field have approved the article to be published in the journal. The peer review process is much more rigorous than the editorial process of a magazine. You may also see other terms that mean the same thing as peer-reviewed. Those are refereed, scholarly, or academic. Article titles tend to be lengthy and written on a postgraduate reading level. The author's credentials will be listed on the article, and they include information such as degrees held, current position, and university or the institution where they are employed. Contain an abstract which summarizes the findings of the article. The body of the article will contain in-text citations. The audience for the publication are other scholars and college students in the field. At the end of the article, you will find a list of works cited, which also may be called the references or bibliography. Scholarly books have similar characteristics as scholarly journal articles. They are often published by university presses. Written by authors who are experts in their fields and will contain their credentials. Will contain in-text citations and a bibliography. The second type of journal articles you will encounter in your research are articles from popular periodicals. These include magazines and newspapers. The characteristics include printed on glossy paper and typically includes a lot of pictures. Articles are short, contain numerous advertisements. The authors are usually journalists who do not have scholarly expertise. No references will be included. The audience is the general public, and the writing is on a high school reading level. The last type of journal you may encounter are professional trade journals. The characteristics of these types of articles include may have characteristics of both popular and scholarly journals. Also printed on glossy paper with some advertisements. Articles focus on news and the current issues in the profession. Credentials of the authors vary widely. Articles are short and usually don't contain references or a bibliography. Audience is professionals and educators in specific fields. The writing is on a college reading level. Answer these questions about the characteristics of scholarly journal articles.